Hey everybody, I'm Brady, and this is Keep Making Dust. My goal on this channel is to help you build. There's nothing like when you finish a project and you look at it, and you start off with a pile of lumber, and next thing you know, you've got something sitting there, something worth having. Not just, like you say, a pile, but a nice piece of furniture or who knows what else. So a little about my background. I was blessed with awesome parents that taught me a lot of what I know, but better than that, they taught me how to be a problem solver and to think for myself, so that when you do run into a problem in life, you can easily solve it. And I'm hoping through these series of videos that maybe I can pass some of that along to you. By trade, I'm a carpenter, and I've been a carpenter for over 15 years now, and I've learned a lot of skills in that time, skills that help me along in my career and also in what I do as a hobby, and make some money on the side, because I mean, what's better than a hobby that you can actually make a little bit of money with? So do you want to be able to build things like this or this, or maybe a few of these? So on Keep Making Dust, I don't specialize in anything. I'm going to try to build a wide variety of things. So maybe if this week you don't like what you see, well, next week it'll be something better, something that you do enjoy building or could see that you would want in the future. I'm a fan of outdoor furniture. I like outdoor furniture. I like decks. I like benches. I like swings. So you'll notice I end up doing a lot of that, a lot of outdoor stuff. Because there's nothing better than being outdoors. And if you can build something that makes your outdoor experience even better, why wouldn't you want to watch? So we've covered a few of the things that we will be building, and I'd also like to say we'll have a tips and tricks category where, do you know how to use a speed square? Maybe you do, but maybe the next guy watching or the next lady watching doesn't. Or do you know how to use stair gauges for a framing square? All things that are good to know, because a lot of the projects that I build, I'll use these types of things that you'll be able to see how they're used, and I'll give you a few, like I say, tricks that'll help you. Maybe even if you're not building one of my projects, but something that you see on another video and you don't really like the way they do it, you see it here, maybe you like it my way more. I'm not saying it's right, I'm saying it's my way. And if the outcome is the same, as long as the means are safe, do it is easier for you. We'll also be doing tool reviews, and along the way there'll be some giveaways. So also with our projects, we will always include a wood list and a cut list. There'll always be in the description below, along with, if we're doing a tool review, the tools we're using, and links that if you like the tool, maybe you'd want to buy it. And also any projects that we build, I'll have the links to those tools. I guess what I'm trying to say is, in the end, I hope that anyone who watches some of my videos can come away with something useful or something that betters them. So as for me, I'm going to keep making dust. And if anything I've said or anything you've seen in this video makes you believe that maybe you want to too, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with the projects that we have coming out. And until next time, thanks for watching.